this month for our product review feature we've been looking at pest traps of different kinds. So we've got a good array here, haven't we, Em?
Yeah, it's a good mixture in here, haven't we?
So,
slugs first.
shall we look at the slug one?
Yep.
Okay, here's a slug trap. It's got 3 wells and it's quite simple, and the good thing about it, it's portable. So you pour your beer in, and what this does is that it traps the fumes in a little bit so that it builds up, and then the idea is that the fumes then spread over a wide area.
That's good.
Attracting the slugs, and they come in at this area here.
Little holes
There's little holes in there, just at the front there, and then they fall into the. And unfortunately, they drown. But you know, it is portable, which I think is quite a good one.
You can put it all around the veg patch. Well, there's another one here, actually very similar sort of.
Yeah.
It's
like a mushroom, isn't it?
like a mushroom. So I don't know if I can get that off.
It does. That just comes off.
That comes off. You obviously put your beer in there.
Yeah.
I mean, it stops. I suppose it just protects. It stops the rain getting into it. Yeah. It doesn't actually get.
With this one, the idea is that you half bury it, so that the slugs don't have too far to climb before they drop into their doom.
Yes.
Fortunately.
Yeah. Good.
This one's an interesting little thing. It comes as a flat pack, and it's very quickly assembled for plum moth or pea moth, and basically you get this little sticky card which you open up. It's very sticky, so you have to watch you don't get it on your hands, and then you put a little lure or pheromone inside.
Yeah, it comes with a little pheromone in the pack here, sealed up. Put that in, and hang it up in your tree,
and it will give you some protection. You know, so it's not 100%, but it'll give you 100.
But it just stops too much of the. It catches some of the moths, and therefore reduces the egg laying capacity, doesn't it, for the moth?
This one is for the spotted winged Drosophila.
Oh, that's hard to say.
It's like a fruit fly. Very hard to say, but it's not been up that long, and I didn't know if I had any in the area, but to be honest, it has actually caught quite a few. It's only a little thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And here's the attractant, which you have to buy separately, and you pour it in.
That's really good.
Hang it up, and it will keep them off your.
That's a pest that's increasing, isn't it? It seems to be getting more troublesome, so that's
a problem for your soft fruit and your stone fruit. Yeah.
Good. What else have we got here? Oh, this one here.
That's a big contraption, isn't it? That's for the raspberry beetle.
Oh yeah, those little maggots you get in your raspberries when you're
too late. You've bitten one, and there's one in there.
Yeah.
So that's a simple
one. Hang it at the end of the row.
Hang it in, you know.
Again, you've got an attractant that's in there, and it draws them in.
Yeah.
So that's good.
They all work pretty much similarly.
And this one,
This is for the coddling moth.
Again, it's got a pheromone. It's in there.
Yeah.
And that attracts them in, so that will protect your apples from the coddling moth.
It tends to attract the males, and then the males don't therefore mate with the females, and therefore fewer eggs are laid, and therefore fewer problems. Fewer problems with grubs.
These don't stop 100% problems, but they just kind of reduce the damage, really, isn't it?
Yeah, and they alert you to the fact that you could have a problem coming, and maybe you can do something else about it.
Spray if you want to spray, or
cover, or whichever. Yeah. Okay, so have a look at the feature, and maybe one of these will be something you'll need to use.